Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today we're going to take a look at some of these asparagus that are second generation seed stock from this exact location in Florida. So the parent plants are pretty much over that way in my yard, and they're out in full sun, but these are in the shaded patio deck area near the pool. And some of them look like they're still alive, and some of them look like they're dead. But these are deceptive. When it warms up, I'm wondering if all of where you see all these old shoots that are dead coming out, I'm wondering if they'll just shoot up new shoots. I mean, traditionally that's what I've seen, but I haven't seen them die back this strongly. But we did have an unusually cold year this year, so hopefully that's what happens. They come back. If they do, these ones are going in the ground this year. Anyhow, I'll keep you folks updated if you continue to watch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out tremendously. Have a great day.